Bread baking is a complicated process. The uniformity of the product quality and the energy loss during the baking process has always been considered as a great challenge in the baking industry. During the baking process, composition, structural, and physical properties of bread changes, wherein semi-solid dough transforms to bread with soft inner crumb and crispy outer crust. The objective of this project is to calculate the amount of energy consumed and evaporated humidity when baking bread in a conventional oven. An experimental analysis of parameters like temperature, heat, humidity was carried out to determine the heat consumed and the humidity evaporated in the bread baking process. In order to solve a real problem of baking bread, we decided to make our own bread. The first step was to preheat the oven at a temperature of 200 degrees Celsius. Then, the weight of the bread dough was measured before putting it in the oven. The dough consisted of 355 grams of water, 18 grams of honey and active dry yeast, 27 grams of salt, and 946 grams of flour. It was considered that the bread dough has a room temperature of 25 degrees Celsius. The bread was baked during 20 minutes and it reached a final temperature of 90 degrees Celsius. A gas oven was used, and according to research, the composition of the gas is 88% methane and 12% ethane, which was used to evaluate the energy consumption during the whole baking process. Once all the corresponding measures have been obtained, a mass balance and energy balance was also made. Consider essential factors such as temperature, time, composition of the gas, excess oxygen, and humidity. As a result, we found that a homemade bread consumed more than 3,000 joules of energy in a regular oven. So we can conclude that in the baking process, this process is the most expensive due to the expenditure of energy.